Are you thinking about going green in your cleaning business but have no idea where to start? Maybe a new client you have recently taken on has requested eco-cleaning products. Or maybe your conscience has when you look at the state of the world. Either way, if you've been thinking about getting a little bit more environmentally friendly with your cleaning business, this video is for you. Ready to help out Mother Nature one cleaning service at a time? Let's go. So eco-friendly cleaning is not just a trend, it is an actual client magnet. People care more than ever now about the chemicals that are used in their home, around their children and around their pets, and what is used in their offices around their staff. And this is something that is going to increase more and more with time.
For example, it's just been reported in the latest issue of Cleaning and Maintenance that 1,000 care homes across the UK have changed all of their cleaning products to eco-friendly cleaning products.
When I first started out in the cleaning industry, way back when in 2008, e-cleaning was on the scene, but nowhere near as big as it is now. So what are the benefits of offering eco-cleaning? Number one, it is so much more healthier for not only your clients, but for your staff. Did you know that most cleaning products, not only do you breathe them in, but they go through your skin? For example, if you're somebody who dusts and polishes your house once a week, you're being exposed to it once a week, not really that big a deal. However, when you have cleaning staff and they are cleaning 2, 3, 4 houses in a day and are constantly in contact with products every day, 5 days a week, all year round, that's something that could become a potential problem in the future, having that much exposure to chemicals. Number two, it is a better marketing angle than chemical cleaning. When you market that you are an eco-friendly cleaning service, you are transmitting to the world that you are somebody that cares about the products that you use, cares about the world, and you are doing your own bit to try and reduce your carbon emissions and footprint. Go you! And number three, it can set you apart from your competitors. Now, if you are somebody who's on Facebook and you see the cheap world of cleaners that are on there offering cleans at £10 and £12, they are buying £1 bottles of whatever from Home Bargains and supermarkets that they will not have kosh or data sheets on, where you will stand apart as a glowing person in the cleaning industry that uses not only great products but environmentally sound products. This will set you apart from all of those people that use terrible products and charge terrible pricing. So if we are a cleaning business that has always used chemicals and has always used certain products, how do we start to introduce eco-cleaning into our business? We are going to start swapping our products as we go. Rome was not built in a day, people, so let's pace ourselves. Start with one category, a multi-surface spray, or a natural degreaser, or a toilet cleaner. Try multiple versions of that product until you find one that suits the needs of your clients and the type of cleaning that you do. Market, and market some more that you are going to be an eco-friendly cleaning service. Mention the fact that you are eco-friendly in your sales pitch. Mention it when you go on quotes. Mention it in your social media posts. Mention it when you do a welcome pack to a new client. Spread the word all over the land that you are an eco-friendly and responsible cleaning service. Train your cleaners and your team on the products, on how to use the products, on best practices for the products. Explain the product use and highlight the safety and data sheets of the products and also the results and how to get the best out of the products to the team. You could even give some of your cleaners little sample bottles to take to their own home to clean and get some feedback. What did they think of the result? What did they think of the smell? What did they think of the shine? what have they used that might be better and they could recommend to you. Start small with one product and then build that product range over time using the exact same process. So you've made the decision that you want to be a more eco-friendly cleaning service, and then you get a client that says,
I don't like green products. Green cleaning products don't work. They don't work in the same way that bleach or chemicals work.
And here is how we're going to handle that. We're going to be honest with our clients, and we are going to explain where eco-cleaning works really well and where it doesn't have a place and we might need to use something a little bit more harsher. We are then going to walk our client through our process. When we started small with one product, we tested multiple products to make sure that we had the very best product for the jobs that we undertake. We will also explain to the client that we do carry chemical backups in case our products are just not enough for the job.
Psst, bestie, come here. We should know what products we need for the job because we should be doing walkarounds of each job that we take on, especially if it's a one-off service, a deep clean, an end of tenancy, a hoarder's clean, or anything like that. There should always be a walk around so you as the business owner know exactly what products you need, what equipment you need, extra sponges, cloths, scrubbers. If you need to hire equipment, you would always and should always know what you need before a clean even starts.
We can also offer our clients the choice at quotation. If you are a cleaning business that supplies all of the cleaning products and doesn't allow customers to supply them, you could even try two rates. So to begin with, you could charge slightly more for a chemical clean in order to push people down the eco route. Some common objections that you might receive from your clients are eco products don't disinfect. They cost more. They don't smell as strong. And your reply would be, yes, Mr. Client, they are gentler products, but we have tried and tested them to make sure we have the very best products to suit your cleaning service. Switching to green cleaning doesn't mean that you are just going to throw out your current cleaning caddy. Slowly wins the race, my friend. This change up in our business is about progression and not perfection. And clients that care about their environment will really notice the extra lengths you're going to improve your business and offer a more sustainable service. So tell me in the comments below, do you currently use eco-friendly cleaning products? Are you thinking about using eco-friendly cleaning products? Is there something that really puts you off eco-friendly cleaning products? Drop a comment in the description and let's have a conversation. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to be here next Wednesday with a brand new video, but until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.